Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick cleaning and some laundry motivation for you. So if you need to be motivated or if you want to clean along with me, let's go ahead and jump right in.
Or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do.
One thing that always helps me to stay organized or keep the house a little bit tidy is to make sure that I put away everything that doesn't need to be in a space. I heard someone say that everything in your home has a home, so everything in your house should have a spot for it, and if it doesn't, it means you got too much. You need to donate it or give it away, but don't go giving your stuff away now. Find a room for it. So anyways, yeah, so you want to find room for everything in your house, and that will help you keep your house clean. I like to keep everything minimal if I can. I'm not the best at it, but wherever I can keep things minimal, I do like to try my best, and I found that that helps me be able to be in control of cleaning the house and keeping up with it. So that's just a little tip that I wanted to give you guys. Find a home for everything that you have in your home.
What you like to do, what you like to do, what you like to do, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
I just wanted to do a little introduction of myself because I noticed recently that I had a few new friends here. And first of all, thank you so much for subscribing and becoming part of my YouTube family. But I wanted to go ahead and just tell you guys a little bit about me. My name is Aliane. I have two boys. Ethan is 6 and Logan is 3. We just recently moved into this home. We've been here about 2 months. We relocated from Ontario, Canada to Nova Scotia, Canada. If you're from Nova Scotia, can you leave me a comment down below? I know I have a ton of people who watch me from Ontario, so thank you guys. You guys will forever be my family. Ontario will forever be my family, so my home, I mean. But I just appreciate you guys so much, and I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys welcome to my channel, and thank you for supporting me and watching my videos over and over again. I love creating this kind of content for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, give this video a big thumbs up.
You better join in. You better grab that tambourine.
I have been procrastinating putting away these Christmas decorations. I was done decorating and I no longer needed these bins to be here, but they were just sitting here for a while, so it was time for me to go ahead and put them away and just take care of the floors there, because as you all know, Christmas decorations come with a ton of glitter, so there was glitter everywhere. So I wanted to go ahead and use my Dyson vacuum on here and then mop the floors as well.
We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher
I waited for the other floors to dry completely, I came into my room to vacuum and also mop. My floors, they get quite dusty, so especially the bedroom floors get very, very dusty, so I have to really be on them every day or every other day. So I've noticed that it does reduce the amount of dust that we collect. So yeah, on this day I wanted to take care of our room, so that's what I'm doing here, just going around and vacuuming, and then I'm gonna come in with a mop.
Couldn't see back then what's now in front of me. The disco's long gone, baby. You got me good, yeah, you got me bad. And you're bad as they come, boy. Through all the blue times and the sad, you're still there. So come on and unrock my heart, let it stop. I'm a fool in love, unlock my cups, rip them off. This is photo love, you'll be my anchor while I'm the sea for all eternity. I'm a fool in love, I'm a fool in love, I'm a fool in love. I would never tell, would never fall apart. I drove my mad heart insane. Now all I do is fly and all I see is stars. Riding that shotgun wasted. You got me good, yeah, you got me bad. And you're bad as they come, boy. Through all the blue times.
I also had some laundry to take care of. On this day, I have collected 3 baskets full of laundry, and 2 out of the 3 were my kids' clothes. Oh my gosh, they're so little and they just seem like they take forever to fold and put away, but I put on a good show. I was entertained, and then I just went crazy with the folding. I like folding while watching something. It just takes my mind off of the tedious folding. Are you guys like me? Do you like folding laundry? If I have something good I'm watching or listening to, I don't mind at all. But just to sit there and fold laundry, I don't know if I could do it. But thank God for entertainment, because that's what gets me through these kind of days.
It's up. I'm a fool in love, unlock my cuffs, rip them off. This is photo love, you'll be my anchor while I'm the sea for all eternity. I'm a fool in love, I'm a fool in love, I'm a fool in love, can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around and spending part of your day with me. I hope I motivated you guys to tackle that one space in your home, or you were able to fold one basket of your laundry today. Either way, we can do this together. Thank you for always supporting me, and I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.